Should you buy the Oclean Xpro Elite? It is an outstanding sonic electric toothbrush, well designed and extraordinarily quiet. With your mouth closed, it is barely audible, even at the highest power settings. Its sleek design and touchscreen menus ensure ease of use even with wet hands. As a result of so many options, brushing instructions are excruciatingly complex, and the ability to select from up to 32 intensity settings is not necessary with all the presets available. Although the brush handle contains an accelerometer to track your brushing position, the app does not display the data in real time, so you cannot adapt your brushing technique as you can with a Philips or Oral-B brush. It is easy to recommend the Oclean Xpro Elite as a premium electric toothbrush if you are not concerned with the smart features. At the time of publishing, there is a discount of $79.99, £56, 106 Australian dollars on the Oclean Xpro Elite, making it one of the cheapest smart electric toothbrushes available. Additional heads and a sterilizing unit are also available for a very modest price, so it is worth checking out. Extra heads start at $9.99, £8, 15 Australian dollars for two, down from $19.99, £8, 23 Australian dollars. Additionally, the review model came with a carry case that can be purchased separately for $12.99, £10, 19 Australian dollars, down from $19.99, £15, 29 Australian dollars. The brush is available in one color, a tasteful light gray with a textured surface for added grip when wet. A single button controls the brush, while a large color touchscreen allows you to switch between modes by swiping and tapping. It also displays a timer while you brush, but this can be difficult to see while using it, even in a mirror. As far as charging bases go, the Oclean Xpro Elites are remarkable. Most electric toothbrushes have a recess at the bottom that fits onto a pronged base and collected water and toothpaste residue unless usage was meticulously dried after each use. With a completely flat bottom, no gunk can form on the handle, and the soft silicone cup that holds the charger securely in place can be removed for easy cleaning. There is no cable or adapter for charging your brush from a bathroom shaver socket, only a USB port. The Oclean Xpro Elite also comes with a magnetic mount so you can attach it to your bathroom tiles. The Oclean Pro Elite does not come with a travel case, and if you buy one separately, it's only for protection. It does not serve as a charging station to keep the brush charged while in transit, like the Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean 9000, or the Oral-B Genius X. You will first notice that the Oclean Xpro Elite is quiet, even quieter than the Oral-B Series 9. On its highest setting, the Xpro Elite is capable of vibrating up to 42,000 times per minute. It has 4 modes: clean, sensitive, massage, and white, and it is simple to choose the intensity settings, from 1 to 4, and duration. The brush's touchscreen makes it easy to select your preferred options. The Oclean app is available for Android and iOS devices, and it is easy to install. You just have to register an account and click the link in the confirmation email. Alternatively, you can tap the Smart Push option to be prompted to enter some details about your teeth and lifestyle, which the app will use to recommend an appropriate setting. It includes an accelerometer that tracks its position in your mouth as you brush, but unlike other smart toothbrushes such as Philips and Oral-B, the Oclean app does not show the data in real time. Overall, we preferred using the brush on its own, without the app.